Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Today I will be doing a fall inspired manicure using Totally Dipp'd dip powders and Double Dip clear dip powder. I will also be using ProDip liquids. So I start by applying my ProDip Prep to dehydrate my nails. Next, I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Starting on the index nail, I applied tape off camera in a slanted angle and I'm using Bossy as the nail bed color. So I applied base to the nail and then I poured the dip powder. I did 3 layers of that and then I removed the tape. Then I built up the nail off camera with about 3 to 4 more layers of the dip powder. Well, I was wrong. I did 4 layers before removing the tape. I think I did 4 layers because I just wanted to do 4 layers, but usually I would do 3 layers and then remove the tape. 3 layers is usually the magic number. 3 layers would ensure that you get enough layers and that the tape wouldn't be stuck on the nail. I don't know why I decided to do 4 layers, but I would suggest you stick to 3 layers because, that's the perfect number in my mind. It could be 4, but 3 layers is good enough. And I also forgot that I also showed myself applying more layers after I removed the tape. Sometimes I forget what I do because I usually edit days, sometimes weeks before I do a voiceover, so my bad. I also did the same for my pinky nail. I actually did the same for all of the nails. However, on the middle and ring nail, after I removed the tape, I placed the tape back on the nail to do the other layers because the tips of those nails are going to be clear and this light pink dip powder gets everywhere and it's hard to remove once it gets stuck to the nail because it has a bit of shimmer to it. So to prevent or reduce the amount, I placed the tape back on the nail to protect it. And the reason I removed the tape in the first place is because the tape can get stuck to the nails. So that is why I do 3 layers and then remove the tape and then place back the same tape or another tape to do 3 more layers. Then I applied activator to all of the nails and waited for it to harden to begin filing to get a straight and crisp line. Now I poured my burnt orange chip powder in a tray. Then I applied base to the tip area of my index nail and dipped my finger into the dip powder. I did a few layers of that. And then I did the same for my pinky nail. Now, using this nail foil, I just separated it into smaller pieces. Then I applied base to the middle nail and stuck some of the nail foils on the nail. And some glitter leaves as well. And then I poured my clear dip powder. So this double dip clear dip powder isn't as clear as you all said it would be, but okay then. And it's also not that bad as well. It just hasn't wowed me yet. It's nothing amazing, you know. It's not that clear. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, I did the same for my ring nail as well. Then I encapsulated all of the nails. I did a few layers but only showed one layer. Next, I applied activator and waited for the nails to harden to begin my filing. This is after filing, and I felt like the nails were missing something, so I applied my 3D striping tape off camera and this brought the design together perfectly. Next, I applied my top coat to my nails and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil. So I really like how this nail design turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you'd like to purchase any dip powders from Totally Dipp'd, you can use my code Symone15 to get 15% off. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!